we're going to show you how to reactivate your Instagram account. Whether you temporarily deactivated your account or it was disabled by Instagram, reactivating your account is a straightforward process. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to get your Instagram account back up and running. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Did you delete or deactivate your account? It is important to understand the difference between deactivation and deletion of your Instagram account. It's important to remember that deactivating your Instagram account is different from deleting it. Deactivating simply hides your profile and content from view, but all your information is still stored on Instagram's servers. Deleting your account permanently removes all your data, so you'll need to start from scratch if you decide to rejoin Instagram later. Instagram gives you a 30-day grace period after initiating the deletion process, during which you can change your mind. If you log back in within these 30 days, the deletion will be canceled and your account will be reactivated. So please reactivate your Instagram account before 30 days if you want to keep your data. If you try to reactivate your account after 30 days, you will not be able to do it. Now let's get down to reactivating your account. The process is straightforward and can be done on both your phone and computer. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone or go to the Instagram website on your computer. You'll need to log into the account you want to reactivate. So I will use a different account and I will tap on log into another account. Write the username and password. After logging in, Instagram may prompt you with instructions on how to reactivate your account. This could include verifying your identity, acknowledging any violations of Instagram's community guidelines, or agreeing to terms and conditions. Follow the instructions provided by Instagram to complete the reactivation process. This may involve confirming your identity through email or phone verification, agreeing to any terms or conditions, or acknowledging any violations. After completing the reactivation process, wait for confirmation from Instagram that your account has been successfully reactivated. This may take a few minutes or longer, depending on Instagram's verification process. Once you receive confirmation that your account has been reactivated, log into Instagram again using your username and password. You should now have full access to your account and be able to use all its features. Reactivating your Instagram account is super easy. It's a simple process that allows you to jump back into the world of Instagram with all your previous content and connections intact. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.